The vocabulary word we are exploring now is wiring. Wiring. Think of the complex network of wires hidden inside walls, vehicles, or machines that connects devices and provides electricity. The word wiring refers to this system of wires, essential for powering, communicating, and operating equipment. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of wiring. Wiring is the system or network of wires that connects electrical components or devices, allowing electricity or signals to flow. Examples: the electrician checked the house wiring for safety. The wiring in the car was updated to support new lights. Faulty wiring caused the machine to stop working. Short story. During a home renovation, the team carefully installed new wiring to ensure the house was safe and functional. Each wire had a specific purpose, connecting lights, outlets, and appliances. Maria watched as the electrician explained the process, learning how wiring enables electricity to reach every corner of the home. Later, she tested the lights and appliances, amazed at how smoothly everything worked. The experience taught her that wiring, though often invisible, is essential for modern living, providing power and connectivity that make homes and devices functional and efficient.